Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to build robotics and IoT project, something like this, then you don't need an expensive lab. You only need some essential tools by using which you can build amazing project. Here in this video, I am discussing about those essential tools which I personally use to build all the my previous project. So let's start with our first tool, which is this screwdriver. This is a 7-in-1 screwdriver which I use in my project to open and close lots of screws. Here we have different types of shape and size of screws fitted in one component. This product is cheap and very compact. Our next tool is this glue gun. This is a small hot glue gun which I use to stick different types of project. I stick cardboard, plastic and even thermocol by using this glue gun. I use this glue sticks which I insert this in this glue gun, and by giving proper power supply I can operate this very easily. And this is also a cheap product. You can find this in any electronics or stationery shop. Our next tool is this, a simple multimeter. This is the most important and essential tool for an electronics engineer. You can test the voltage, current and resistance of any component using this multimeter. You have to set this in different modes and you can check any component using these two probes. Next tool is this soldering iron. You can solder all the electronics component in the motherboard using this soldering iron. So this is also an important tool, and this is not very expensive. It is around 100 rupees. You can find this in any electronics shop. Next one is this wire cutter. You can cut wire easily using this wire cutter. And our last component is this, a simple metal cutter. You can cut plastic, cardboard using this cutter. I add one more tool. This is also a type of tool. This is a voltage control power supply setup where I can take 2 to 36 volt DC volt using this setup. I made this using this step down transformer, a bridge rectifier with a filter capacitor and a buck converter to control the amount of voltage I want. I make all these tools using these simple components. If you want more videos like this, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching.